John, I'm going to ask you to keep it brief, 2 minutes, because I want to go to Gary and Dave as well. But from a purely practical and functional perspective of civil government and its inner workings, you work with law enforcement. Now, you've already evidenced a lot of things. If somebody's been with us from the beginning, they have no doubt where you're coming from. But you were with the FBI, which is a part of the federal justice system. Now, if local law enforcement, as we know it to be, is defunded, weakened, or eliminated, as some are calling for, what happens to our constitutional freedoms and the protection of those freedoms, which are supposed to be the purposes of those who take the oath, be they law enforcement or in office, to support and to defend the Constitution? What happens in reality, John, if we weaken, eliminate, or defund law enforcement in America?
Well, first of all, Americans are responsible for their own safety and security, individual Americans. So if a family is not armed and willing to deal with defending their life, because since you're coming at it from a couple different angles, the right to life is our right because it's an unalienable right, because God gives us our life. And so we don't have a right to protect it, we have a duty to protect it. And therefore we have a right to bear the tools to do so, which has been the understanding in the Western world for centuries, long before the Republic. So the right to keep and bear arms long predates the establishment of America and exists with or without a constitution, with or without the nation. The police are meant to keep order. The Constitution requires that all states operate under a Republican form of government, and an important part of government is police enforcing the law and citizens obeying the law. It's one of the three key principles of our victory strategy: speaking truth boldly in love about these threats, reestablishing America's founding principles, and obeying the law and police enforcing the law. Because without that, and the communists know this, by attacking the family, by attacking Christianity, and by attacking order, law and order, you create the conditions, chaos, in which either communism or Islamic Sharia can dominate.